Hi everybody, my name is Michaela and welcome to this 5-minute bar core workout. You don't need any equipment for this workout at all. All you need is a mat or a soft surface, and whenever you're ready, we're gonna get started. All right, we are going to start in a plank position. You have the option to either be on your hands or your forearms. Just be sure that you're pushing into the mat with your palms and your fingertips. We're going to be doing some floating knee drives. You're going to drive your left knee into your chest first and then extend your leg out, either hovering off the mat or tapping down. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drive in. For 2, extend. For 2, can you add a little lift when your leg extends out? We inhale coming in, we exhale going out. Pretty soon we'll speed it up. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. We bend, extend, we pull, extend, we pull, extend. Go down onto your forearms if this is hurting your wrists at all. Pretty soon we're gonna hold our legs back to pulse them up. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Little lift, little lift. Can we keep our toes pointed? Squeezing our glutes and keeping our hips nice and square towards the mat. Pretty soon, I'll have you meet me in a plank hold. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Meet me in your hold. Can you hold it here? I'm just gonna switch sides so you can see what I'm doing with my other leg. We're gonna go back into those knee drives to leg extensions with our right legs this time super slow. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. We drive for 2, extend and lift. We drive for 2, extend and lift. Pretty soon, you can stay at this pace if you like it, or you can speed it up. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. We bend, extend. Can you keep your gaze about a couple of inches in front of your hands? Keep breathing, keep breathing. We're almost done here. Pretty soon we're gonna hold our legs back to pulse our feet up towards the ceiling. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Little lift, little lift, little lift. We inhale for 2. We exhale for 2. Pretty soon we end in our plank hold. In 4, we hold in 3, we hold in 2, and 1. Hold your plank here. Option to come down on your forearms, or you can bring your knees down on the mat, keeping them behind your knees. Still keeping your lower back nice and straight with your belly coming towards your rib cage. We're almost done. Keep breathing. We're here for 4. We're here for 3. Last 2. And 1. Send your hips back for a quick child's pose. Oh my goodness. All right, whenever you're ready, we are going to come all the way down onto our backs. We are getting into some crunch action here. Have your feet about 1 inch in front of your knees, and then press into the mat with your lower back and your rib cage. We are just going to crunch up and down super slow, letting your head get nice and heavy. In 4, in 3, we crunch in 2, and 1. Here we go. We crunch for 2. We lower for 2. We exhale on our crunch. We inhale on our lower. Can we keep our chins away from our chests? When I count you off, you can stay here or speed it up. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. We lift. We lower. Can we get our upper backs up off the mat, meaning our shoulder blades? We're up. We're down. We're just rolling up off the mat, so peeling up. When I count you off, we are going to drive our right knees in towards our chests, and we're going to twist our left elbows towards our right knees super slow. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. We twist for 2. We lower for 2, tapping our toes down on the mat. We lower for 2. Can we let our heads get nice and heavy against our hands? Pretty soon, you can stay at this pace if you like it, or you can speed it up. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. We twist, we lower, we twist, we lower, we twist, we lower. We're almost done with this side. Pretty soon we'll just pulse it out on the other side. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. Little lift, just teeny tiny twist towards our knees. Can we lift our elbows towards our knees? Pretty soon we're going to go back to front crunches, going down first. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. We're down. we're up, we're down, we're up. Pretty soon we're gonna twist towards our left knees, this time with our right elbows. In 4, in 3, we twist in 2, and 1, here we go. We lower, we twist, we lower, we twist, getting into our left sides this time. We lower, we twist, we lower, we twist. Pretty soon we're gonna do those teeny tiny twists to end it here. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1, here we go. Little twist, little twist. We're almost done here. Keep breathing. We're here for 4, we're here for 3, last 2, and 1. Oh my goodness. Thank you all for joining me today. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time.